You will not do it with me. You won't do it with any potential customer that can open an account with us. So what do you think you're doing, Sonia?
So I would not become a corporate prostitute just to please you or the bank. Even if I consider doing it, not as a contract staff with less than 100,000 naira monthly salary. No, I won't.
This is the corporate world, young lady. This is the finance world. Nobody gets anything here by just wishing it. You work hard for it.
Sir, I am working hard. Really hard.
Oh. And yet you have not been able to bring any customer who can open an account worth 200,000 naira with us since you started working here.
That is because they've been giving me the option of having sex with them before doing anything.
Then give them the damn sex. Yes, work hard. But work dirty if you must. Bring in the money, Sonia. That's what we want. That is why you were employed here in the first place. You are not employed to give excuses. See, in the banking world, success is measured by measurable, tangible results. That's what you do. Okay, see you. You just miss an opportunity of getting another deep pocket client, just like Chief Elvis. The same story, and you are yet to come and tell it to me. Are you not even sounding stupid to your own self? Now listen, if all these stories, all you have to come and tell me of your failure and your near misses, then I will give...
What would you do? Sack me. Yes, because that's all you can do.
Shut up, Sonia.
I will not shut up, sir. I won't. I'm sick and tired.
Sir, I just got a mail from the headquarters and I printed it out to show you.
So you got the mail?
Sir, you know about it.
I facilitated it.
You?
Mommy.
Sir.
There is reward for hard work and loyalty. And you have taken care of my carnal needs since you came into this branch. And you have brought one big customer after another. And not only that, just last week here, after spending one weekend with a big politician, you were able to get him to sign 500 million worth of an account with us.
What?
Yes, you heard me. She did it. A young girl like you. You see? Show her. Show her. Let her see it.
You mean your employment status has been converted to provisional staff? And you have been promoted to Deputy Marketing Manager with immediate effect?
Yes, so I'll be going to my new branch to run my things as a boss lady. Thank you.
Congratulations.
I wish you could say the same thing about you. I just wish so. But the message I'm getting from headquarters is that you have 3 weeks to meet up your set target of 700 million. Or else consider your employment here with us over.
But sir,
Yeah, so obvious. Virgin, Sonia, or Deputy Virgin. Sorry. Saint Mary. Or Deputy Virgin Mary. Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Girls, from a contract staff with a monthly salary of 75,000 naira, with no other kind of allowances, to a provisional staff, promoted to a deputy marketing manager with 300,000 naira as her monthly salary and other mouth-watering allowances in one fell swoop. Babes, can you, as in this thing white talk now, ring for her ear? Wow. Just like that.
Hey. Wow.
I see something today.
Just wow. Like, this is a huge breakthrough. Just like that. This is a big one, a big breakthrough.
Wait. For just few quickie.
My sister.
With Mr. Ethan and just, some selected men here and there.
I'm telling you.
That's it.
Is it not the same waste that we used to subject to whining, knacking, giving styles, 360, 69?
Babes, that year they knock me 960.
We just have sex with all sorts of men. They will just give us cash.
That's all.
That's what? Hey, we'll now buy flimsy, we'll now wear trendy outfits now. And buy wig.
And eat food.
Eat food. Pay house rent. That's it. That's finished like that. That's what Molly used meticulously, strategically to have I won't say business, a lucrative career job.
They tell you, babes, just like that.
Babes, have we not been the myopic foolish girls?
My dear, now the same question I asked myself since I come up from Mr. Ethan's office. I've been asking myself, do you know, with the kind of shame I had today, I could not look Molly in the face. I could not look at her.
Babes. Babes, hold on. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Right now, my thinking faculty no comment. What are you thinking?
Let me. Just imagine the three of us as a closely knit and coordinated squad of bank marketers. Just try reason them. Imagine them. Imagine them now.
You say?
Wait, let me even ask you. Like, if that should be the case, I beg Mona, tell me, will there be anything that would be impossible for us to achieve in the banking industry?
No, I'm not understanding. You want us to like become bank marketers?
Yes, as a team nicknamed the Squad. Yes.
I mean, this.
Wahala.
What do you give this guy?
Wait. See, babes, you know what? I beg you.
Okay.
Sonia, I want to see Mr. Ethan tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. In fact, I just tell him that I have. No. We. The three of us.
Quiet.
We have a deal, like a sweet deal, a mouth-watering deal that would be so good for that his Randy Pennis.
Yes, I can hold
and
pennies.
his bank.
I can hold pennies.
Hey, you keep quiet, please. Wait, let me tell you girls. The banking industry doesn't work like that. Mr. Ethan is just a regional manager. He doesn't have say in things like that. Except he's been approved by the head office.
Sonia, please don't start. Just don't start. You just told us here and now how he helps Molly get employed. And even leapfrog the promotion. What else? You just said it here. He told you that he helped her. So what are you talking about? If he can do it for Molly, then he can do it for Trisha and I. He would employ us immediately.
What can she do
that we cannot do? Exactly. Influence our immediate employment. And not just that, our deployment to the same bank she works in. He has to do it. In fact, he must.
Baby, no go.
No.
Baby, no.
I said, no. Sonia, wait. It must work.
Mr. Ethan.
I don't want here.
It go work.
It has to work.
Mr. Ethan.
If it doesn't work, what do we do? Formula K.
K, abi.
K, babes. K. You dey feel me, abi?
This
You
one
dey feel me,
This one
abi?
will be on no show.
You dey feel me, abi? You dey feel me, abi?
My brother.
Wow. This house is really majestic.
I know.
Both in and out.
You can say that again.
The house is mad.
Okay, but the Pentecost can I wait? My brother, drink.
Thank you, my brother.
Drink.
But what did you say this your guy or son does for a living in Japan?
My brother, he said he worked as a factory hand in Japan. Yeah, so 2 years later, he used the money he saved to join Southeast Asian Household Marketing Network. My brother, he recorded a huge success by selling and introducing to a huge African community in the region. That was how my guy established hubs all over.
made money. My brother, as I am talking to you, Osondo is worth 2 billion naira.
When in this life, all quite about on Ndebuzo, Ebalazo, Ndebazo, Ebluzo. You even told me he's not a graduate.
Dude is not a graduate. Dude is not a graduate. In fact, Mbobine Jakukon Express Kobina. Dude didn't know anything. He upstairs was empty. I was the one doing his assignments and take homes. I'm telling you. But look at it. Both of us were killing ourselves in school, working our asses up, trying to make 2-1, graduate, suffer. Yeah? And then, have you seen what a country that kills dream like this, our own, has done to both of us? Brother, and then, looking at Osondo's life, you can see what a country that has his dream, that can make somebody from nothing to something, has done to Osondo. He drop out too.
You know the painful part of it? Eh? They don't even have oil.
Yeah.
Japan no get anything now. Eh? Oh, brother, wouldn't I tell you, all these our useless, God will punish all their generations to come.
Listen to me, like I tell you, forget politicians. I called you for something. Let us go to the business of the day.
I'm all ears.
One, as the Baba told us to do this, do that, and we did this and that worked for us. Osondo picked everything he could lay his hands on and left the shores of this country, leaving this house, leaving the cars. His personal bedroom belongs to me as we speak. On Nemo, Obaraka. So, but the money side, I like Romeo. Osondo left a paltry 300,000 naira for a graduate like me. How one?
No, now. Just use our whole body first now. You go still hustle, bro.
Hustle? No. I don't want to be hustling again. I don't want to be exporting emails and importing dollars again. Nah. And me, I don't even want to work for. How can a graduate like me work for Osondo? A dropout. Is it possible? And I call Blue Ako.
Andy, I don't understand you again. What is your problem now? You don't want to press like me. You don't want to work for him. So how do you now pursue your dreams?
Listen, I have a better idea. In this whole city, no fine girl, no rich babe in her right senses will see a young man like me with this kind of house, a car or cars, fleets, and will not lower her guard for me to milk her dry and then jilt her for another babe. Or draw possible now. I'm pure on a okay. So, can make sense. I want Osondo to scamper forever. I don't want Osondo to remember home. Asia home or so you know Asia. Asia Africa or Asia. I don't want him to remember home again, come back to this house, or even think that I have investments in Africa. No, let him think overseas. And I need Baba to execute this. There is only Baba that can pull this. Once our son is taken care of, when them goes and blend some see and they what I'm saying is, by the time our son is out of the way, with all the fleet of the cars in view and the house in view, every rich lady in this entire city they are near from me.
Andy, you are far, far worse than me. Andy, I surrender. I come more cab for you. I bow for you. I bow for you. You are very greedy and wicked. In fact, from today henceforth, I don't change your name. Your new name now is the Fox.
The Fox I shall be.
The Fox.
The Fox I shall be.
The Fox.
The Fox I shall be. Listen, it's a new name, and it's going to be a code name for a Hana. Are you getting me now? before, see, even over the bridge, we talk about a gym, each blue gym over now.
You will be like final.
You man, all calling on the good go.
Confirm.
Once you don't get everything to talk now, they will give you quick notice now. You will little. If
you want to make it in this life, you begin.
Will be less.
Yes.
Because if you no get to be less, you no go make money. And then buying was there less money.
Your name is The Fox. In bracket, Obiles.
Come. Let me call you back.
I'm ready to do it, sir.
Smart girl.
But upon one condition.
Which is?
I can't do it all alone. I want my flatmates brought in. Yes, I want them employed immediately so we could work as a team.
And you came to me, a mere regional manager? Sonia, you hiring in the bank is not something that you can just, you know.
Sir, listen. I know you can do it if you want to.
Come on now. Sonia, the banking sector has rules of engagement. You can't just... personnel hiring has some construct. You should know this.
I know where you're driving at. And my request sounds a little bit odd. I know it would take outside the rules actions by you to get it done. Same as the regularization of contract staff employment and her promotion to deputy marketing manager, all in one swoop.
But Molly did some sacrifice
and I can also open my legs wide open for you anytime you want me to. Listen.
Sonia.
All you need to do is just to get my friends on board.
Sex with me will just get you some months of and week to sort yourself out.
And I said, Ethan, I just told you I can't do it all alone.
Then get ready to be sacked.
Tell me, what exactly do you want me to do so you can do exactly what I want you to do?
This is what you do. Bring in 2 big account owners first. And do that and we'll take it from there. To be a deal.
Okay, I'll do it. But if I have to sleep with 2 potential customers and bring them in, I would want to do it with you first.
You mean?
Charity, they say, begins at home. But in the office, in this case.
Right here? Right now?
I'm not a fan of quickie. I'll be in my room tonight after work. So if you want to have a taste of all this, meet me in my room after work. If you're ready, I am ready. And we can actually get everything done. Mr. Ethan, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Meet me up in my room after work. Don't forget, after work, in my room. Don't keep me waiting.
What a girl. What a character. Okay. Yes. Yeah, my Viagra. I'm ready. I'll meet you.
This one out of Hitler, the washing section.
I finished.
See the color of your boxers.
Ew. Boxers no fine. Oh, this guy don't ready for you. Are you kidding me? So, just as we suspected, dude is a sex addict. He's a sex addict. As you can see, he came prepared for you.
If only he knew how more prepared we are for him. If only he knew that by drugging himself with sex steroids, the guy has deeply fallen into our hands.
Indeed, he has deeply fallen into our hands. Babes, you know now.
My sister.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. You know what, girls? Enjoy the view.
Let me have it. Alright, go do your job, girl.
Right away, girls.
Trust you to do it right.
Watch me and tell me
You
what
know where
you
your
think
fans,
when
right?
I come back. Hi, manager.
Yes, you are done with the call with your uncle. This one that he called you and told you to move to a private spot and call him immediately. Hope all is well.
It's nothing. It's just, you know, little family issues. But not to worry, it's been sorted out.
I hope it has not affected your mood in any way.
Oh, come on, manager. Of course not. I am fine, okay?
Okay.
Are you okay? You, you look nervous.
No. I'm fine. I'm fine. In fact, I'm good and active and ready.
Yes. I'm ready for you too.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Wait. Listen, you know, the way you're going about this is not really my style. It's not my thing. I mean, what you're doing right now would not put me in the mood. This is conventional foreplay. It's not really my style.
I don't get.
Okay, the thing is that the first 3 years of my sex life was really violent. I mean, the first man who ever had me beats me up mercilessly before he has sex with me, and funny enough, that turns me on. Yes, I like it.
What? Was he an animal?
Well, maybe he was. Unfortunately, as bad as it was, that has defined my sex life since then. You know, it has become my new sex orientation. I like it. If you want to get me in the mood, you want to have sex with me right now, you have to do it the same way he used to do it back then. Don't be surprised. Listen, that's the reason I've refused to have it with you or the other customers who have been demanding sex from me before they open an account with us. And that's the same reason I insisted that you come here, so we can do it here. Mr. Manager, don't be scared. It's fine. It's my thing. I like it. All I need you to do is just, you know, hit me. Yes, batter me. Rough,
Stop. I don't understand that.
Listen, that's the only way I can be in the mood. Just whatever you do on me, any injury you inflict on me is fine. It gives me more joy, it puts me in the mood. So I just need you to hit, even if I'm shouting and I'm, complaining and trying to stop you or do anything, just keep hitting me. Hit me really hard, okay? It's going to put me in the mood. Come on, okay? Please don't do it. Please. Please.
Do you wanna taste of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body.
What a peculiar girl you are, Sonia. What a queer sex character. But then I must confess that I really enjoyed the whole 3 rounds we had. Like I've never enjoyed sex before. The excitement, the struggle built in me before the actual thing was out of this world. Pew! Great ride, girl. You won. I must confess, for the first time in my life, a lady made me to beg for no more in bed. But sorry, I can't allow a repeat of what you made me to do, as exciting as it was. Yes, for my hate for rape and anything violent, I will not. I cannot. I may have a big question mark on my sex discipline and marital fidelity, but I'm by no means a beast. Hello, Sonia. No, I'm still on my way. Why did you ask? I hope I didn't forget any of my personal stuff at your end. What is that? What's going on here? What's happening? What?
Do you wanna taste of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body. But first of all, do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. My body. One litre, one litre, one litre. One litre, one litre, one litre, one litre, one litre. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head, now the hustle is real. So when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head, now the hustle. So let's go there, let's go there. Now the hustle, now the hustle. Let's go there, let's go there. Now the hustle. The hustle is here. So I wake in the morning.
tell you.
Hi, rapist.
Don't you dare call me that. I am not a rapist.
Really?
Oh, Mr. Bank Manager. But our video says otherwise.
Sonia, I didn't rape you.
Really?
I didn't rape you.
Listen, Mr. Ethan. You see that video I sent you? That clip I sent you? That is the only available clip. Every other part of that video, both the audio and the video, has been deleted.
Everything.
And in that video, it shows that you raped her.
Oh, I was raped.
That leaves you with nothing to prove that you didn't rape Sonia, Your Excellency.
Oh.
And by the time you manage to prove it, your career will be history. Long gone. No bank, no corporate institution will work with him.
My sister. And unfortunately, your marriage, your public image will be irreparably destroyed. Listen, the only way we can fix this is if you do as we want. Capiche?
So, Mr. Ethan, the best thing for you to do would be to actually drop this confrontational attitude of yours. Come down from your high horse, okay, and just negotiate humbly with us. Listen, Oga, we hold you. We have you right here in our womanhood. You know, if you go anywhere, you're stuck.
Obviously, this is a group act by the three of you.
I'm not a mom.
But why? Why did you do it? What do you want?
Exactly the same thing I asked you earlier today at the office. Listen, Mr. Banker, I don't care how you do it. Fix it. All you need to do is to get my girls a job at the bank, deploy us as marketers in the same branch. Else, you see that beautiful video of you whining and grinding and raping me will be sent to your wife, the bank management, and all social media platforms. Mr. Banker.
Sonia, come now. Please explain to your friend the way the banking industry is structured. You know that employment is a core management decision from headquarters and not from the branches.
Okay, now let me explain it to you now. 1 week. Ross! 1 week is what we give to you to fix this.
Sonia, please now.
1 week.
Sonia, please. Ladies, girls, please.
Hey, listen. I give you like say you think so with a joke for him. Like you think we're joking with you right now? Listen, I give you 10 seconds to leave this place right now. If you don't, I will send the video to your wife and to your employees. 1.
Let's say make you go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Where's my phone? 9. Where's my phone?
Aboki, your plenty color of tie where you wear your nonsense clothes. Let me see how my clothes are wearing. Like say they place.
You should have recorded this, you know.
Tell me like I'm guys, play the music. I feel like I'm here.
Where my clothes?
Sorry.
So when I wake in the morning, the first thing that pops in my head.
This is the shirt. Yes, it's one of the few shirts he left behind. Alright?
Baba said it must be a cloth that he has worn at least twice. Are you sure he has worn this more than twice?
Yeah. 2 weeks I was with him before he left for Japan. I saw him wear this often.
Then this is the best material to use.
Okay.
Yes, now.
Yes. Oh, yeah, big one. Big one. Yes. I remember. Jesus. Brother, yeah. Oh, you're a mom and a bob. Yeah, but I don't know my go. That can 1 year. My go, that can 1 year. So I know how to put. Yes. Or Sunday. And I'm not going to post and I was on a fourth. Oh, God. One more people here, man. What if you look okay? Or Sunday, I kept up on the iron. Yeah, I feel if there's no day back one. I think your bass, Nanya. Go back one. What? Oh, true. I be the work again. That's in a. Hey. Osondo. Yeah. Look, I say, a palabi maslora. Osondo. Sigana. From this day till 2 years to come, Osondo, you will not remember anything in this country called Nigeria. Your house, the cars in it, you will not remember at all. Anybody who calls you on the phone from this country, Nigeria, once you hear the person's voice, man or woman or, let the person become your stark enemy. Anybody who advise you in that overseas about returning to Nigeria, let the person become your stark enemy. Awesome. Huh? As no, I can't remember. Never. Oh God. Niru can have okay. Of Rabu and Afroga on the moon. I want the Amal Gundichi and as now what I want to kill car, John. Eh? But I know Sunni, but I know a job. Why that's Sunni? Oh, I want my rock. Okay, chill out. Why am I going to see us? Why am I going to see us? Oh, God, one them. I catch up.
Hi, I love that. Go and find somewhere to hide it.
Okay.
Remember, as Baba said, under no circumstance should this leave this house till next 2 years. If not, it will lose its potency and hold on Osondo.
That's what I'm going to get about me fairly. What about you? But I'm not going to a banner. Hiya, get the back. Okay. Okay. There's a manhole inside the bathroom. I will go there and hide it. Hey! Okirikome. Okirikome. What do you come to do? One am the kaka. As you to get up now, Papa. Hey. Go ahead, dear. You want to be silly. Come on, why yesterday? I don't know how you deal with me.
Yes, all I want that's this. I'm on body on
the toilet.
I'm on the toilet. I'm on body on your oh, sit down.
You sent for me, sir?
4 days. 4 days after intensive lobbying at the headquarters, they finally sent me the official response.
Oh, wow! They accepted your request, right?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, but with a difficult caveat.
Which is?
That I have to disengage the worst performing marketing staff among the 11 that I already have in this branch. Oh. If I insist on engaging 2 fresh staff.
And your worst performing staff is me, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Not just you, and the person next to you is that young man, Mr. Kenneth. And he's very, has a very good potential, very vibrant young man. And his performance in comparison to yours is way ahead of yours. I don't know how I will destroy such a young...
Oh, well, listen to me. The banking world is not a moral arena or an emotional theater. Your exact words to us during our training. Remember?
And his wife is due with their first child. So...
Oh, there you go again. Emotions and morality. Listen, Ethan. You know, you really don't have to sack your worst performing staff.
Yes. I don't have to. I don't have to do that. But I cannot sack my worst performing staff and the person next in line. It will lead to a scandal, and that could end my career in the banking world, especially in this age of social media.
Well, you have to find a way around it. Just anything you need to do, find a way around it. You do not have time to brood and moralize. 7 days and 4 of it are gone already. My friends and I are not bluffing. We would not give you a minute extension. Like I said earlier, look for a way around it. By the way, nice tie you have on. Excuse me.
Do you wanna fist of me? Do you wanna feel my touch? I will give you my body. A fist of all. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. Touch, I will give you my body. A fist of all. Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. One licha, one licha, one licha, one licha, one licha, one licha. One litre, one litre.
Yo, my guy wants to pay for you.
Who?
Yeah, me, sorry.
Thank you, but I'll reject the offer.
Hey, it's nothing. I was just trying to show gratitude for what you did back there. I mean, you could have chosen to just ignore me, but you did it, so I chose to do it. Alright, so here you go.
Please, I prefer to pay my bills myself. Thank you.
But I said, oh, we're not.
Don't you think as a total stranger you are invading my privacy aggressively?
I'm sorry. Album, one touch and came now.
Do you really wanna play this dirty game? I give you my body. One lecha, 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 one lecha.
I just want to apologize for unintentionally embarrassing you in there. I mean, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's not necessary.
Well, I am a gentleman, you know, brought up by a strict single mother who would insist that I say sorry for such thing while growing up. Anyway, not necessarily to you, but it's a virtue deeply embedded in my character by my late mother. All right?
So sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Good to hear though.
Yeah, well, I'm Andy.
America.
Erica.
Yeah.
Strong woman. Real woman. I mean, you are real epitome of what a real feminist should be. You know.
Really?
And I am impressed.
Thanks a lot. But I never told you I'm a feminist.
Come on. Your conduct in there said it loud and clear. I mean, and it is not just like all this wannabe feminists everywhere, if you understand what I mean.
Of course I do. Lots of hot ladies out there and pure misandry cases masquerading themselves as feminists. So, of course I understand.
Intelligent.
Yeah.
Intelligent no go kill you. Anyways, can I have your number? I mean,
what for? We never met before.
Well, people meet once. This is our own once. And you left a very strong impression on me. Yeah.
You are sure witty, with words especially.
All right, is that a turn off or turn on to you?
Don't ask me that kind of question. Let me have your phone.
All right.
Yeah, that's my number.
Andy.
Erica.
All right, thank you.
Let's go there. Let's go there. Now the hustle. Now the hustle. Let's go there. Let's go there. Now the hustle.
Ooh. Feels the same money. I tell you. See, if I want to do my own bonbon, I go make sure everybody go know see na bonbon. It go full everywhere like this. What my money will I spend? Now lie, everybody go know.
Just hips. Just add small hips.
Which one be small?
Then suckle the fat for
This one tiny.
Snatch! Then my breast. I come lift and come up here, go come full.
If I the breast, no, I think I be like my own day okay. Now just here now.
I go add my own if I the waka, the thing go just
Feel good.
feel good.
Woo! I knew that I would not. So good. So good. Girls, I got your employment late.
Wait. Serious. Wait, nah lie.
My sister.
This one be like my own. This one is your own.
Just like that. My sister,
No interview. No application, nothing.
Wait, so Mr. Ethan finally succumbed.
Wait. The idiot finally found a way around his dilemma on his deadline dates. As I speak to you, 2 of my colleagues are gone, and you guys are replacing them starting tomorrow. What are we talking about?
You don't mean it.
My sister, I mean it.
You don't mean it.
My sister, I mean it.
Mr. Ethan! We are here. We are coming.
I said it, girls. This is the time. It's time to make money.
Guys,
we've been playing.
Guys, I'm telling you.
Guys, right now,
please,
I'm changing my name. We are about to make money.
Let's go there. Let's go there. Now the hustle. Now the hustle. Let's go. Let's go.
Hola. Well. The squad is officially here to report.
Wow, this is impressive. But you don't need to report to me in my office. Having gotten your employment letters, Trisha and Yvonne, you should be reporting to your departmental heads for final briefing. Sonia, you should know that now, and you ought to have briefed them accordingly.
Oh, yes. She actually did. You know, she briefed us accordingly. You see? But we know that we will still resume with the department heads. But there is something we need to do first, and that is for you to interview us.
Your pre-employment interview has been taken over by circumstances. Yes. And I don't need to interview you guys any longer. You are now contract staffs of this very bank.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Nice.
So, we insist on being interviewed.
How? Insist how?
He wants to know how, so let's quickly show him. Well, this is how. Listen. The squad is here, and the squad hasn't set its own rules and modus operandi. But the good thing is that the squad is here to give it to our top boss before we explode.
Come on now.
To the randy potential customers out there. Oh, come on. Shh. You guys asked for it.
Don't worry, you'll be okay.
Babes. Yeah. Let's go. Babes, what do you think?
I think game on.
All right. Let's go, girls.
You should not. You should not. You should not.
That was hot.
Really hot.
Woo! Sonia, I beg. Get this guy water. Please. Save him for us. I beg, save him for us, I beg.
That was close.
Pause now. Pause. Listen, girl. You see what I just had today? This guy is good. Like, that thing right there is the panel is strong. I need to have a repeat of this every week.
God punish you. Devil, Satan.
Hold on. Are you by any chance cursing me?
No, not you. I'm cursing the devil.
Good.
What's up?
Oh, drink up.
Oh, yeah.
Enough. So
you.
just a simple question.
Thank you.
Ready for work right now.
Thank you.
This is actually the best time of your life, isn't it?
Yeah, the worst 2-hour nightmare of my life.
Oh, Oh, did you hear that, girls? Anyways, whatever. I guess you clearly heard what Yvonne said. You will continue this ritual weekly, as long as we are all in this branch.
That's right.
And now listen to me. Don't you ever think of transferring or separating the squad. Shut up, else we would use that videotape to destroy you.
That's right.
Shut up. Shh. No buts. But listen to me, no buts. You see that account you've always wanted? We will get it for you. In millions and billions for that matter. In return, you would continue to give us bottom service whenever and wherever we want it.
That's right.
Or you don't want to know what's gonna happen, little boy. Girls,
It's time to go.
let's bounce.
Ah, we had a good time. And
Yes.
we'll be back for more, back. Oh, yeah, the guy is so good. Alright,
Back also, daddy. I like that pose.
And don't forget
You
to
look like a cat.
don't forget
Mew. I'll take that, daddy.
Jesus, please don't come soon any longer. Just come today. Come today and take me. Take me from this made in air factory products. Hey. What am I putting myself into? Yes, here you are, girls.
Yes, sir.
Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Yes. The military general at the defense headquarters that you guys spent the whole of last week with tidying up, as you call what you do with such men, has made good his promise to you.
Really?
He moved 3 billion into the account he opened with you and equally fixed it for 6 months. 1 billion naira for each of the account for you.
Wait a minute, he did?
He did?
He did. He did not. Really?
Honestly, I admire the ambition and tenacity you guys brought to the job. The management is wild. Do you know a top management meeting was called this morning because of you girls at the headquarters? I was part of it in headquarters via Zoom.
Really? About what?
Girls, this is the product of that meeting. Yeah.
Wait. So, we have been converted to regular staff and also promoted to senior staff immediately.
Yes. Your performance in the last 2 months has broken every record set by marketing staff, both past and present in this bank. You know, it was even easier for management to change the promotion and employment rules because of you. And that's why they are rewarding you extraordinarily.
Okay.
Congratulations, girl.
Thank you.